Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the skin of your sign item in Grow a Garden 2 and make it look much more interesting. Like as many of you know, Roblox chat is now restricted by its group, so sometimes it's difficult to communicate with certain players, and that's why many players use this sign item as an alternative way to send messages. And you can buy this sign item from the gear shops. This one. This one, and it costs for thousand cycles. And it will look like this. And if you want your sign to stand out, you can change its appearance using a sign crate. To get the sign crate, just simply visit the prop store and then just purchase this sign crate. Unfortunately, in here, sign crate not on stock like this, so I can't buy it. But to change your sign appearance, just purchase one of the sign crate, and when you open the crate, you will receive a random sign skin on here like this. There are multiple designs available, so you can keep opening crates to collect different styles. And once you get a skin that you like, just equip it to your sign and enjoy a more unique and eye-catching look. And okay, that's it. That's how you can change the sign skin in Grow a Garden 2. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!